Hitachi Energy's been delivering pioneering solutions for over 30 years, from the remote deserts of Australia to the harsh environments of Antarctica and Alaska. All of these have focused on integrating high levels of renewable energy into power systems. The Dalrymple Battery Energy Storage System is a 30 megawatt, 8 megawatt hour system that's installed at the extremities of the Australian grid. And whilst it's grid connected, it provides commercial and technical services to the Australian power system. And then in the event of an outage, it seamlessly backs up the local community to ensure they're continued to be powered and can go about their daily lives.
ElectraNet is the electricity transmission network service provider in South Australia. We own, operate and maintain the high voltage electricity transmission network that provides power for all South Australians. The Dalrymple Battery project started out as an idea in 2013 because we foresaw the need for increased energy storage on our power system, resulting from the transition to a more renewable system. And that ultimately culminated in the Dalrymple Battery project being commissioned. The role Hitachi has played is to provide the inverters as part of the battery energy storage system and the controls that really are at the heart of the battery energy storage system and the services it provides. And that's now been in commercial operation since December 2018, coming up for 5 years of successful operation.
If there is a grid outage, the Dalrymple, Bess and Wattle Point wind farms seamlessly disconnect and power the local community as an independent islanded power system. Because Dalrymple is always in grid forming mode, it provides a strong reference for the wind farm and community to follow and stay connected. The islanded system operates with 100% renewable energy, and when the grid returns, Dalrymple aligns the system to the grid and reconnects.
The Dalrymple battery has provided improved reliability for customers, both homes and businesses, here on the southern part of the Yorke Peninsula, and has also contributed to a more secure power system in South Australia. In the past, when we lost that transmission line, customers would lose supply. Now they don't notice any difference.
In the first 6 months of operation, the average outage time was reduced from 8 hours down to under 30 minutes. So that had a real positive impact for the community and their businesses. At a state level, South Australia continues to operate one of the highest renewable penetration networks in the world. And this system continues to supply stabilising support to help avoid a blackout for the state. At a national and global level, this is one of the few projects that's demonstrated grid-forming energy storage as a mechanism to replace synchronous generation, coal-fired power stations, and unlock high renewable penetration power systems. It's really left a legacy on how to get to the zero-emission grids of the future.
We've seen a big acceleration of penetration of wind and solar resources in South Australia, so energy storage becomes really important. We all want a better future, right? We want a sustainable future for our children and grandchildren.